Hello everyone, welcome back to our lesson review about H2O. What is it? It is water. We always hear the word in class, water, and the formula is H sub 2O. H stands for hydrogen and O stands for oxygen. Two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen constitutes water. Now there are many properties of water and we'll be discussing today only 10 properties. The first one here on the screen is hydrogen bonding, wherein water binds to other water molecules through its hydrogen atoms. As you can see, H, hydrogen atom, and oxygen. So number two is cohesion or adhesion. Water is able to bond to other water molecules as well as different molecules. Cohesion, meaning the water molecules bonds to the same water molecules. That's cohesion. The same. Cohesion, the same. Water to water molecules. While adhesion is that water is able to bond to other molecules. That's adhesion. If you can see the example of adhesive tape, it binds, it can stick to the wall or it can stick to the table or anything, right? So this is just an example. Water adhesion property means that water is able to bond to other water molecules. Water to other molecules, say for example, the water and the straw. Why is it that you can drink water using the straw and the water can go up to the straw? Because the water is able to bond to the straw molecule or other molecules. That's it. Number three is high heat capacity. Water takes a large amount of heat in order to change its temperature by 1 degree Celsius. So this is the reason why our body, we are so lucky that we have high heat capacity because our body is made up of water, and even if it's too hot, we can still sweat, and it our we would be replenished or relaxed if we just drink water. Okay. Number four is surface tension. Water molecules are attracted to each other on the surface, causing an elasticity on the surface of water. So as you can see in my example during the class, that the water slider can walk on water was the reason why, because there is a surface film. There is a surface film on the water which is attracted to each other, causing an elasticity on the surface. So the water striders can just walk on water and they're not heavy as well. So the main reason is the surface tension. Number five is polarity. Water is polar. What does it mean? The water's hydrogen and oxygen atoms have opposite charges. Okay, hydrogen has positive charge and oxygen has negative charge. So they attract. There is polarity with each other. There is attraction with the positive and negative charge. That's polarity. So polar, the water, it can be dissolved. Polar dissolves to polar. Number six is heat of fusion. Amount of heat needed to melt 1 gram of ice. Number seven is solvent. Water is able to dissolve other substances. Number eight is vaporization. Amount of heat needed to evaporate 1 gram of water. Number nine is freezing. And number 10 is water thermal conductivity. Water has a heat capacity that keeps